Guys, it's VPalace and today I'm gonna do some slime. First time ever. I hope it's gonna be good. So the first thing you need to have is some I forgot the name of it, but this thing. Well, you don't need it, but it's a lot of other. And you need to have also, I forgot the name also. You don't need color, but if you want to have some color on this, so buy some color. And this is some, I forgot also the name, but we need to have this. Hope not too much. Like that. It smells disgusting. Oh my gosh. Okay, now this cream thing. This can be fluffy. No, it's perfect. Now wait, I need to put this. And then some food coloring. You don't need to have a lot of, what's it called? Oops, that was a little bit too much, I have heard. Then I need to have a spoon. Coming back. So you need to mix this. So then mix them. Hope this is gonna be good. Oh, now it's pink. And then you need to have the Alkalution. I can't the name. Wait, how do you open? Not too much. Boom, like that. Wait, I'm mixing that more. Hope this is gonna be good. I can get out. Okay. Holy shit. Freaking. This is so. Putting this on this. Come on, get out. This feels disgusting. Ooh, this feels like this is like the world's fluffiest slime I ever. Put that more. Shit. This is maybe too fluffy, like the world's fluffiest. I think I failed. I think actually I failed. Yep, I failed. So I'm not good to making slime. I like the words. Maybe more of this. Like that. This maybe it's better. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. I need to wash my head, then it's better. Wait, I see you later. Maybe now. Yes, I think it's worked. Wait, I need to have more of this. Oh, wait. I need to have more this illusion thing. I feel so bad, just optical illusion. Oh, that was maybe too much. Oh. Yeah, this is. Yeah. I failed. I did not want to fail. I have. No! Wait. Yep, I failed 100%. 100%, but this is fun to do. Feels also sick. yeah, I failed. I suck at making slime. If you want to make slime, don't go to me because I'm suck. I'm gonna maybe destroy your slime. So I hope you enjoyed this. Can we hit this video just 0 likes, 0 likes. Okay, yeah, and subscribe, and yeah, see ya.